video, we have seen about the introduction for jQuery. Here we going to see jQuery selectors. jQuery selectors enables you to find DOM elements like HTML elements, CSS class, ID, etc. in our web page. Here selectors will be more similar to our CSS selector, the same thing only. If you know about writing CSS selectors, then it will be very simple and similar also. Let me see some examples. Okay, just I am creating a single PTAC. Hi everybody. Okay, I have created a PTAC. So I can select this PTAG and I can give some action for it. Okay, for that purpose I'm just giving like dollar symbol and in bracket I want to mention that element name. Okay, whatever may be your element, just I am putting a P for only example. Okay, dot append means it will be added at the end of that particular P tag. So append, again in bracket, this time putting I am P tag. Okay, at the end we want to give semicolon, save. Yes, I am P tag appended at the end of P element. Okay, this can be applied for any like button or div. You can apply for anything and you can select particular element. Okay, so I can add one or two elements. For that just I am giving comma and div. Save, refresh. Yes, this is div. In div also I am P tag is added and here also I am P tag added. So we can select multiple elements like this by putting comma. Let me create one ULLI. Okay, I have created ULLI. Then we have seen about find by element and now we're going to see find descendant element. So this is nothing but like, see I'm writing okay, so I have given like ULLI. So or the LI which is inside UL tag will applied with this particular content. See, for all LI it have applied. So UL and LI. Yes. The same way for selecting ID. So I am just giving ID for some of this element. Okay, I gave as my ID. So for selecting ID, the same way, putting hash symbol and the ID name dot append. Okay, for this we gave I am ID. Yes, this is selecting by ID. Then we can select by class also. So I have given class 1 and class 2. I can give like this dot class 1. Wherever class we given for that. Okay, so I am class is appended with class 1 element. Okay, Then we can add this for all classes. So we have used class here, here, and then here. We have used class in 3 places. So I want to give I am class text for all these classes, means I can just give by giving class in square bracket. Yes, so here, here, and then here I am class. Okay, this is selecting element by attribute. Okay, instead of class I can give ID, I can give href. Okay, what are all the attributes you are using, you can use that attribute here. And then here we can specify a value of an attribute in attribute selector. See, like class is equal to class 1. Okay, just see. Now we should get I am class in class 1. Class, yes. So these and all remove. We got only for class 1. We can specify the value of the attribute also. Okay, then we can add 2 classes. So class 1. Don't forget to give dot when you specify class and hash when you specify ID, and a square bracket when you specify attributes. So I am giving class 1 and class 2. So now this will be applied for both classes. So class 2 inside class 1. So we need to apply for both class 1 and class 2, means we want to give comma. So now it will work. Yes. Okay. Then we can find child elements. Okay. Let me select this $li first child. Okay. For this, I am just appending. Okay, let me see the result. So this Li is the first child of this UL and this Li is the first child of this UL. This 2 Li have been affected. Okay, we can give like last child also. Yes, we got I am last child, I am last child. And we can give only for a particular nth child. So nth child I am just giving like nth child. Okay, in bracket I can give, so I am 5th child. Okay, yes. So for class it have applied I am class, and then we gave 5th child, so it affected for 5th child. Then we can find like input type, or we can find the radio button and all. I'm just adding one button. I'm just adding one button here. So I can give like this. So dollar. Inside this I can mention like colon button. Then we can change CSS. We can use CSS element here. So CSS. I'm just changing background color. Okay, let me see. Yes. Okay. Not only background color, I can change its padding also. So I can give like this, and here we can mention padding 20 pixels. Just I'm saving it. Like this you can select input box also. So using selectors is very easy and also very important, because selectors makes main role here. By using that only we are going to give all events and all functionality in jQuery. So make sure you learned completely about selecting particular element. Thank you so much. I will catch you in next video.